So hello and welcome to the video. This video will be a demonstration video of Fincept terminal. So Fincept terminal is a similar terminal to Bloomberg, and we are acting as an alternative to that terminal, but the frequency of data and the amount of data we have is quite decent. Like we don't have that much data which Bloomberg has, but still we are making continuous effort to bring more number of data sources and more number of data feeds at this point in our terminal. And you might have look around OpenBB terminal, which is a completely open source terminal at this point, and you might be using it, but we have an alternative to that. And let me show you that how you could be accessing the Fincept terminal. So this is the main website of Fincept terminal, which is product.fincept.in. From here you can find all the information about the terminal, that what all it does, and this is just like an overview page of our terminal. If you want to download the latest versions of our terminal, then here is the link. You just need to click on this button, and if you are using Windows, it will download an exe file. And for Mac and Linux, at this point we don't have any build for yet, but in coming days, most probably when you are watching this video, we will have a build ready on our page. So the second, this is the first way you can access it. The second way is by the code. The terminal is totally open source, and we don't manage the code. Like we manage our code from our end side, but the thing is anyone could manage it from their own. And simply what you can do is click on this code and just simply just git clone or just download the folder from here and run the code locally on your own machine. It will be just working fine. But if you don't want to get this thing around, then we have a Python library where you can go to pypi. Then you can just simply search for Fincept investment, and it will, you just simply need to copy this and paste this in your terminal, and then you will be getting the whole Fincept terminal at your own local machine. So yeah, this was the three way in which you could be accessing the Fincept terminal. But let's go to how you could be starting the Fincept terminal. So starting a Fincept terminal is really easy at this point, and we wanted to keep the things really simple, and we want anyone could simply, like the non-finance background or the non-tech background, also access the terminal and do all the type of research, possible research, right? So if you type Fincept, it will be showing you a list of commands which are like help commands, or maybe whatever commands are needed for your own guide. So yeah, this is the thing. And here you can see we have version, so you can always check for the latest version of the Fincept. So if I write Fincept/version, it will be just giving me what Fincept terminal version currently I have in my local system. And the help command will give me a list of options where I can be navigating through all the options where whatever I need. So yeah, currently it says I'm using 0.1.1, which is the latest version of a Fincept terminal. And for starting the terminal, you just simply need to write Fincept start, and it will start the terminal in just few seconds. Maybe at this point we are lacking in the speed, but yeah, the speed is not really the purpose at this point. So after the Fincept start, you will be redirecting to this type of UI where it says Fincept investments, and below is the description. Here you will find all the details about what all we provide, what analysis you can do, or what update we have. At this point we are not providing updates on this description part, but in future you will get all the updates, like what features are added, what are removed, or what things we have updated in the terminal. So everything you will getting on this page. So below I will be just demonstrating one feature at this in this video, because demonstrating all the features will take a really long time. So let's go through, let's say I just want to go through stocks. And basically we have stocks from seven different continents at this point. And let's suppose I want to query stock from Asia. Then in Asia we have 18 different countries through which like the data which we have at this point. So let's say I want to query data of India. So at this point I have type. I just really need to type the numbers. I just really forget to tell you that we just really need to type the number which we want to execute. So here I have typed 4, that's basically for stocks and equities. Then here I have typed 1 for Asia, and Here I have typed 5 for India. This is giving me all the sector list that whatever sector is present within us. Like we are currently having a data feed of our own, so it will give a bunch of sectors. Like if I need to go through any sector, let's say basic materials, which is on one, then it will be giving me all the industries present inside the basic materials. So you can navigate through these things, and let's say I want to go for chemicals. So I will be typing number 4 because 4 is on the chemical is on number 4, and it will give me all the companies present in India which is working in this sector in under this industry. It will be giving me all the stocks. And let's say I just want to go for any stock, like I want to search for this is totally for example purposes, and you can be doing research from your end, right? So here it says that would you like to search more info about the specific stock. I would just say yes, I would just want to I just want to know about specific stock, which is, let's say I want to search about GHCL. So here I will be simply typing GHCL, and it will be doing all the kind of stuff, all the back processing. If you are not a really tech guy, then you just focus on the info part. So here it is giving me all the business summary, that what company does and what product it has, and what when it started, and it is giving me a bunch of information. You could just simply always analyze this information at your own end. And secondly, we were getting company officers, which is number of like key persons in the company management, like chairman, CEO, CTO, CFO, everyone. And below we are getting all the fundamental, technical, and bunch of metadata about the company, like what's the country company is present in, what is the fax code, and maybe phone industry sector, employees, open, close, high, low, tape, and we have a bunch of information. So yeah, you can analyze that at your own end. But let's say you want to export this in a CSV file, you can always do this with very ease. Like you can just simply you can simply type yes, and it will be exporting the file in CSV or Excel format. It's on you. So let's say I just want to export in CSV format, so it has stored the file in CSV format. And likewise I can query through bunch of other stocks. Like let's say it is asking me, would you like to search for more information on specific stock. Let's say I type no, then it will be redirecting me again to the main menu. So yeah, this is the terminal feature for now. This is one feature, which is the stock equity, and you can really explore terminal at your end. But we'll be covering sorry but we will be covering one feature at the one point of time. We'll be covering one feature. So yeah, next feature will be present in the next video. And this was it for now. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to leave a star on our repo. Thank you at this point. And I'm totally new to this field, and this first time we are making this video of this type. So don't really mind if I have taken a long and doesn't really provide much info on this. But yeah, over the time I'll be making a progress on this. So yeah, this is my first video at this point, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.